Hello everybody, today we'll discuss about Control A to Z shortcut keys. We'll see one by one. Control A. Control A is a shortcut key to select all contents of the page. Control B. Control B is a keyboard shortcut which bolds the selected text. It is a toggle key which bolds the text on and off. Control C. Control C is a shortcut key to copy the selected content of the page. Control D. Control D is a keyboard shortcut which opens font formatting window. Control E. Control E is a shortcut key which aligns the selected text to the center of the page. Control F. Control F shortcut key opens Find window. This search box finds a specific character, word or phrase in a page. Control G. Control G key opens Find and Replace window with activating Go to tab. Based on our input, it goes to specific page. Control H. Control H is a keyboard shortcut which opens Find and Replace window. This window helps to find and replace a character, word or phrase. Control I. Control I is a keyboard shortcut toggle key often used to italicize and unitalicize the text. Control J. Control J is a shortcut key which makes justify alignment for selected text. Control K. Control K is a keyboard shortcut to insert a hyperlink in a current location or on selected text. Control L. Control L is a shortcut key which left aligns a selected text. Control M. Control M is a keyboard shortcut which indent the paragraph. What is indentation? Indentation is the increase or decrease of space between the left or right margin of a paragraph. Control N. Control N is a keyboard shortcut to open a new document. Control O. Control O is a shortcut key which opens a file or document. Control P. Control P is a keyboard shortcut to print a document or a page. Control Q. Control Q is a shortcut key used to remove all formatting from selected paragraph. Control R. Control R is a keyboard shortcut to right align a selected text. Control S. Control S is a shortcut key used to save current document. Control T. Control T is a keyboard shortcut which creates hanging indent. A hanging indent is an indent that indents all text except for the first line. Control U. Control U is a keyboard shortcut toggle key which underlines the selected text on and off. Control V. Control V is a shortcut key which allows you to paste a copied text. Control W. Control W is a shortcut key used to save and close the current file. Control X. Control X is a keyboard shortcut used to cut selected content. Control Y. Control Y is a shortcut key which is used to repeat a previous action. Example, if you mistakenly deleted the text, you can use this key to recover it. Finally, Control Z. Control Z is a shortcut key which reverses the last action performed. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel for more updates.